Welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add day separators in TradingView step by step. If you are completely new to TradingView, don't worry, I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. Day separators are vertical lines on your chart that mark where a new trading day begins. They are especially useful if you trade intraday timeframes like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes because they help you clearly see where one day ends and the next day starts. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Chart section to open a full chart. Now, make sure you are on an intraday timeframe like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Day separators are most useful on lower time frames. Next, look at the top right corner of the chart and click on the gear icon. This opens the chart settings. Inside the settings window, click on the Appearance tab. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Session Breaks. This is the feature that controls day separators. Turn on the toggle for Session Breaks. As soon as you enable it, you'll see vertical lines appear on your chart. These lines represent the start of each new trading day. If you want to customize how these lines look, you can adjust the color, line style, and thickness right next to the Session Breaks option. Choose a color that stands out but doesn't distract you from the candles. After you're done, click OK to apply the changes. If you want to make sure this setting stays saved, click on the Layout option at the top and select Save. That way, your day separators will remain even after refreshing the page. And that's it. That's how you add day separators in TradingView, step by step. This small setting can make a big difference in understanding daily highs and lows, session ranges, and overall market structure. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly TradingView guides. I'll see you in the next video.